Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And a little while ago, I did a paint by number from Winnie's Picks, and now I'm getting to do custom paint by number from Winnie's Picks, where you upload your own photos and you choose whether you want detailed or simple designs. And I will tell you that the faces, yeah, I don't know. I'm not an artist, but it was really fun and relaxing to be able to upload this wedding photo and paint in the paint by number from Winnie's Picks. So I am not an affiliate or anything like that, but this was something that I just thought was way too fun and very, very relaxing personally to share. It came with the paintbrushes, all the paint that I needed, the instructions, and really it took me just over 4 hours to do this 18-inch by 18-inch square wedding photo of our beach wedding. So I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy the finished results, knowing full well that the details around the face, it's a little smudged. From far off, it looks amazing in my opinion, especially for not being an artist. I couldn't quite get the details to clean up around the face the way I had hoped, or the faces the way I had hoped, but I mean the details in the clothing, the ocean, the sand, the trees, I think it all turned out super, super amazing. So I hope that you enjoy watching this video. I will leave a link at ByMeganElizabeth.com so that you can check out Winnie's Picks for yourself. Again, I don't have an affiliate link or code or anything like that. This is just something that I wanted to share. It's just been decompressing and crafty fun for me lately. So I hope that you're doing well. Again, enjoy the moments, and I hope to see you soon inside She Makes Club, where we make and create amazing things together. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.